Good morning, students. I am Professor Nitin Kadolia from Sagar Group of Institutes, Bhopal. Today, the topic that we will be discussing is the promotion mix. So, two things that we are going to discuss is one, the promotion mix, and second, the integrated marketing communication. So, what is promotion mix? Promotion mix is the specific blend of advertising, public relations, personal selling, and direct marketing tools that the company uses to persuasively communicate customer value and build customer relationship. So why is this promotion mix needed? We all know there are so many companies in the market with so many products and services. Now, what are the offerings with these products and services need to be communicated to the consumers? So in order to make a impactful communication to the consumers, these companies, they uses the promotion mix to communicate or convey the offerings of their product or services to the end user, right? So what all are the elements in promotion mix? It is advertising, it is selling, there's direct marketing, sales promotion, and public relations. Okay, so it is a blend. It is a carefully mixed blend of promotion tools. What are these promotion tools? I have already shared: advertising, personal selling, public relations, direct marketing, and sales promotion. So coming to the advertising, we all must have seen so many advertisements coming in the television, on the radio, FM, newspaper, day in, day out. We see so many advertisements, right? So the same thing is advertising. It is any paid form of personal, non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods, or services by an identified sponsor. So this advertising has four components. It can be a broadcast, it can be a print, it can be internet, it can be outdoor. So broadcast media, the television and the radio. FM is the broadcast media. What is the print media? The newspapers, the magazines, they are the print media. Internet, we all are aware of internet these days. So the advertisement coming on the internet is one, and outdoor is like when you see the hoardings on the road, in the street side, in the major locations of the city, then it is the outdoor advertising. Okay. Then second is sales promotion. Sales promotion is the short-term incentives to encourage the purchase or sale of a product or services. Okay, so one major important thing in sales promotion is that it is a short-term incentive. Sales promotion are not running for a longer period of time. You see discounts coming from the companies, right? You see sometimes some companies are offering coupons. These Lenskart, you find so many coupons, and other companies also, Amazon, you find discounts coming in. All these e-commerce companies, they are regularly pushing on discounts. Big Bazaar, you see every Wednesday they have some offerings for the customer, right? Then the displays, you have seen displays, some racks, standees in the retail point, in the shopping malls. So these are the, again, for sales promotion and the demonstrations that these companies do to convey the benefits of their products or services. Next is public relations. So public relations involves building good relations with the company's various publics by obtaining favorable publicity, building up a good corporate image, and handling or heading of unfavorable rumors, stories, and events. You must have seen many companies are doing so many good things for the society. So they try to publicize it so that they make a good corporate image. All the leading brands, say you see the example of P&G, the Tatas, they are like into so many social things, and like they are trying to build a good rapport with the public. They try to build a positive image among the general common public, right? So what are the tools? Again, they have press releases, they do the sponsorship. We see the IPL comes every year, and there's a sponsorship for IPL. There are these TV programs, Indian Idol, and similar other some dance programs. There's a sponsorship for that. There are some special events happening, right? So companies get involved in those special events and they create the web pages. So the motive behind all these activities is to create a strong positive image about the company. Next is personal selling. Personal selling is a comparatively with customized kind of tool. It's the personal presentation by the firm's sales force for the purpose of making sales and building customer relationship. So unlike the previously discussed tools, this is comparatively to target a smaller count of public. We know that the advertisement on the television, radio, newspaper, they reach to a greater number of people, the audience, right? But the personal selling it is limited to a certain number of customers for communication purpose. And what are the companies using? They do the sales promotions, sales presentations, the trade shows, they run the incentive programs. Okay, so these are the various sales promotion tools. One is direct marketing. It is like very common these days when this mail and electronic media and people are so much like using the mobile, WhatsApp, and the mails and the Facebook. So this is now has of late come into too much of practice by the companies. So direct marketing involves making direct connections with carefully targeted individual consumers to both obtain an immediate response and cultivate lasting customer relationship through the use of direct mail, telephones, direct response television, email, and the internet to communicate directly with specific consumers. What companies use for this? Catalogs, telemarketing, and kiosks. Okay, now we come to the integrated marketing communication. So integrated marketing communication is the integration by the company of its communication channels to deliver a clear, consistent, and compelling message about the organization and its brand. So whatever the promotional tools the company is using, all those tools are all focused and energized towards communicating the same message so that there is a uniformity. And the purpose is that consumers are better informed, more communication happens, less of mass marketing and changing communications technology. So in today's class, we will be doing up till here in the promotion mix. The balance part of promotion mix we will be taking in the next class. Thank you. Good day.